Talk to your family members. It is very important that you let them know about your life so they can understand you or empathise with you or congratulate you and actually just know what's going on. In turn, it's also important that you know about their lives too, so they can feel understood, supported, and can be reassured they're not alone. Spend time with your family members. Do fun activities with them, go on walks together, visit museums and art shows, watch a movie, go for picnics, spending time together. As a hobby, actually build something, do something with them, spend time with them. Take interest in their interests. Learn what they love doing and ask questions about it. Ask them how their hobby is or their interest or their work. Be an active listener when they tell you and learn what you can. Show genuine concern about your family members. Do not keep your feelings bottled up. If you love them, then tell them that you love them. If you care about them, tell them this. Go out of your way to remind each family member what glues you all together. Love, care, and support. Surprise your family members sometimes. You can do this by helping them out without them asking you to, or make dinner for them, prepare a trip somewhere, or do a chore they just like doing. Anything. Be a good listener. Do not always shower your family members with advice. Just hear them out sometimes. That is all they need. Try small gestures to help. Even the smallest things count. With a simple text or a brief phone call, you can make someone's day. Just make sure you leave a positive message that will leave them feeling happy. When you know that someone is going through a hard time, call, text, or just be with them in their time of need, like you would like them to be for you. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more.